Hello there, Tumblr users. My name is Bob Hopman, also known as JazzBandit1313 on Tumblr. I was challenged by my fellow friend from Tumblr and in real life, Christy, also known as Buffy's Boobs on Tumblr, to do an accent challenge. So I'm just going to go ahead and record myself. There's a list of things I got to pronounce and read, and I'm going to challenge a couple of you at the end. So here we go. My name is Robert Hopman, Bob Hopman, whatever you want to call me. Username JazzBandit1313. I am from Lake Zurich, Illinois. Currently, it's around Chicago, Illinois, USA. Pronounce the following words: ant, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, caught, naturally, aluminum, GIF, tumbler, crackerjack, doorknob, envelope, and gapoy. That's a weird one. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? That's TPing the house. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? Soda. What do you call gym shoes? Tennis shoes. What do you call your grandparents, grandma and grandpa? What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? A cart. What is the thing that you change the TV channel with? A remote. Choose a book and read a passage from it. I think I have it with me. Shoot, let me go find a book really quick. It's actually kind of simple. It's from Douglas Adams' Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's my favorite quote. It's "Don't panic." That's literally the quote. I love it. Do you think I have an accent? Yes, probably. I'm from the Chicagoland area. I probably have a wicked accent on my A's. Chicago. Be a wizard or a vampire? Probably a wizard. Do you know anybody on Tumblr in real life? Yes, many, many people. I know Christy is my good friend who challenged me to do this. I know about 10 or 12 other my followers who I actually forced to follow me when I found out they had Tumblrs. So, end audio post by saying any 3 words you want.